Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making saltfish cake. I'm using 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of margarine, a half a teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of shredded saltfish. I'm going to add the salt to the flour. Then I'm going to mix that in. Once I've done that, then I'm going to add the margarine. I'm going to cut the margarine into small pieces and I'm going to combine that with the flour. To that, I'm going to add the shredded saltfish. Once I've done that, then I'm going to add water to make a dough. Once I've finished with that, then I'm going to flatten the dough a bit and place that in a frying pan to which I've added a small amount of cooking oil. I'm going to place the dough in the frying pan and then I'm going to use a spoon to press against that. And then I'm going to leave that for about 30 seconds. Then I'm going to turn that over and I'm going to cook both sides for about 10 minutes. Once it is cooked, then I'm going to turn that over onto a plate and I'm going to cut that into the desired slices. I also use self-rising flour and I got a fluffy dough. You can serve that with any vegetable of your choice. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Dr. Baillie. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share.